I meet the most interesting people in the world. That's right, everybody. I'm Kit Carson, the Earl of Pizza, and I talk to the rock stars, the heroes, and the gods. And today I have a young man that wanted to tell me a story. So what's your name, sir?
Everybody wants to sit with Kit. Yeah.
My name is Michael Lacey.
Michael Lacey.
Yes.
Michael, where are you from?
I'm homeless in Key West.
You're homeless in Key West.
Yes.
I can't think of too many places that I'd rather be homeless in. I mean,
Well,
it's not a...
It ain't the perfect place.
No, that's true. Is it difficult being homeless here?
Yeah.
It's difficult being
very.
homeless anywhere, though, I think.
Well, you got your camping charges.
Right.
Charge you for camping. You ain't even got a tent.
Right. You get charged for camping even without a tent.
Yeah.
That's
But
pretty crazy.
I've been homeless here
Yeah.
for a few years.
Yeah. For how many years?
Since 2008. Yeah.
Really? Wow. That's pretty incredible. You've managed to hang out since 2008. That shows some kind of fortitude.
No, I've been to jail.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. So where were you from?
Alabama.
What part of Alabama?
Prattville.
Prattville. Well, the young lady that was here before you is from Birmingham.
I know where it's at.
Yeah, everybody knows where that is. And we both went to college at Troy. You know where Troy is?
I know where Troy is.
Yeah,
it's
of course
right
you do.
near Dothan. Right on 231.
Right on 231, right north of Dothan.
I know where it's at.
Yeah, absolutely. And I know where Prattville is. You're right there by Montgomery.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
About 10 miles from
Yeah, about 10 miles from Montgomery. So, what did you do there?
I've been a mechanic for over 30 years.
So, what about here? Are you working here?
I do side jobs, but I lost all my tools
Yeah?
back when the pandemic hit. I couldn't, when the pandemic hit, I got laid off.
Okay.
I had to put my tools, which is a very large box.
Yeah.
I couldn't bring it to my apartment, so I stuck it in a rental place. You know?
Yeah.
And it comes down to living. You know?
Yeah, it's you can't live without your job, and if you don't have a place to live, you can't do your job, and it's a fine mix, a mess.
Yeah, they took all my tools. You know, I couldn't pay for
Right.
and I had to pay for a place to live.
Yeah. Well, that's harsh reality. That's not good. But you're making the best of it. I see you out here, and I see you riding around, and you seem like you're doing okay.
I'm all right. I mean, I'm still alive.
Right.
But that's not my choice.
No.
That's his choice.
That's true. But they're going back to Key West. There again, this is a place that you don't need a lot of clothing. You don't have to, when it gets cold, you can find a place to hide and bundle up.
Ain't that
you're not going to freeze your ass off. Like if you're in New York or somewhere, you could, if you get too hot, you can always go dip in the ocean and lay under a shade tree and stay cool.
But
so
I have friends.
Yeah.
And I have a very good friend that let me come over and shower.
Right on.
And I drop off laundry. He'll do my laundry for me.
That's really cool. That's very cool. So what's one of the toughest things about being here homeless, other than being homeless?
The cops.
The cops?
Police.
Yeah.
They're assholes.
You can never get any rest. They're always bothering you, right?
Because you can't sleep.
No. Yeah, that's the biggest thing, is finding a place to sleep.
Yeah.
And then you find a place to hide, and then it's trespassing.
Camping.
Yeah, I get you.
Obstruction.
Yeah.
I could be standing over there drinking a beer, and all the tourists be walking by me, and they'll get me for an open container.
Yeah, I hear you. That's the unfair reality there, which is really bad. So, you've been here how many years?
Since 2008.
2008? That's quite a haul.
Yeah.
You've managed to hang in there for a long time. That's pretty awesome. It's good of you.
And I'm still alive.
So, what's the one thing you'd like to tell everybody? What's your one thing? Well, you got this platform right here, right now. What would you like to say?
Don't come to Key West.
Not unless you have a bucket full of money.
Don't come here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it the way I see it.
Well, hey, listen.
To me,
I don't blame
Key
you.
West is the armpit of America. It really is. You
I
want to
don't know.
visit a place that's nice? Austin, Charlotte, North Carolina. It's nice.
Yeah.
Don't come down there.
Yeah.
Back in the early '80s, when they succeeded, they should have blew the bridge up and told them.
They
"Hey,
should have. Yeah. And then it would have been a cool place.
Then you
But,
can be
you know,
the conquer republic for real.
Yeah, it's not the same that it used to be. I
it ain't.
understand that completely and wholeheartedly. Well, sir, this is the #1 pizza shop show on the internet, so I got to ask you a pizza question before I run you off and put another guest over there.
Okay.
You ready for this question?
Go ahead.
If you were a pizza, what kind of pizza would you be?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, no hesitation. The man knows what he likes, and he likes pepperoni, and I don't blame you. Classic. Well, everyone, on behalf of my guests, thanks for watching the crew, TV Tim. Enjoy your evening. Thanks, everyone.